not working in Battlefield REDSEC on PC. If you can't hear anything in-game, no voices, music, or effects, don't worry, we'll go through 8 easy solutions to get your sound working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound, then open Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default playback device. Just right-click on it and select Set as Default Device. Once done, launch the game and test your sound. Solution 2. In the same sound window, right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not set too low or muted. Adjust it if needed, then click Apply and OK. Sometimes Windows automatically lowers device volume, so this simple check can fix it. Solution 3. Still in the Device Properties, go to the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, change your sample rate to 48,000 Hz, DVD quality, or 44,100 Hz, CD quality. You can also uncheck, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. This ensures better compatibility with the game's audio engine. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab in the same window. From the drop-down menu, select Off. Click Apply, then OK. Disabling spatial sound can fix issues like distorted or missing audio in Battlefield REDSEC. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows update it. Once done, restart your PC and test the sound again. Solution 6. Go back to the same Driver tab. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver and press Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and let it update. Outdated GPU drivers can sometimes affect sound output, especially in modern games. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once installed, restart your PC and launch Battlefield REDSEC again. Your sound should now be working perfectly. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix sound not working in Battlefield REDSEC on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.